Starter motor inspection. Performance test. Performance test. Prepare a battery that has sufficient power. Disconnect the wire to the starter from the starter solenoid M terminal. Connect the battery positive terminal of a battery to the starter solenoid S terminal. Connect the starter body to the battery negative terminal in order to ground the starter body. If the starter pinion pops out when the starter solenoid M terminal is grounded, the pull-in coil is working properly. Then, disconnect the M terminal from the battery. If the starter pinion does not react, the hold-in coil is working properly. Then, disconnect the battery from the body ground. If the starter pinion retracts immediately, the starter pinion is operating properly. Clamp the starter firmly in a vise in order to inspect the motor revolution. Connect the wire for the starter motor to the starter solenoid M terminal. Connect the battery positive terminal to the starter solenoid B terminal. Connect the starter body to the battery negative terminal in order to ground the starter body. Connect an ammeter to the positive cable. If the starter begins to rev when the battery positive terminal is connected to the starter solenoid S terminal, and the starter maintains its revolution, the starter motor is normal. Do not keep the battery connected for more than 10 seconds to avoid damaging the starter. Read the electric current while the starter revs. Refer to the shop manual, and if each value is within the specifications, the starter motor is normal.